Hello everyone, this is B for trymeoncereviews, and today I'm reviewing another Bluetooth keyboard. I review a lot of Bluetooth keyboards, but this one is definitely unique. This is a Bluetooth keyboard from OITTM. So as you can see, this is one of the most unique keyboards I've seen. This is a completely bamboo finish. You have a hinge here which allows you to mount, to keep your phone, tablet, any kind of tablet here and use it. You have the clips on the back so that uh, it stays on place, does not move around, and uses the key, it's a full length keyboard with special keys. And if you see it closely, the keys have multiple functions. So you can, I'm just going to just demonstrate, if you have a tablet, how this is gonna work for you. So if you have a tablet, I have my iPad here. Fits here in nicely. Let me just quickly open the tab. Shift, select, everything works really nice. And this is really nice keyboard feedback. Typing is definitely enjoy, which is not usually case with a lot of keyboards. Let me get this out. Now here are some key parts about it. Now some really good features about this keyboard. One of them is you can pair this keyboard with 4 devices. So, and this is compatible with iOS, Android, Windows. So as you can see, it mentions you turn on the device. You can pair the Bluetooth symbol is paired on 1, 2, 3, 4. So you can switch between the devices pressing FN, or FNQ for iOS, or W for Android, or E for Windows. So one keyboard with 4 pairing options. This is where you can see the blue light, because it is connected right now, turned on. This is the Bluetooth button, and I think this is a cell here. So that's very well concealed as well, and really nice feedback on the keyboard. You can see all keys, function keys, and then they have given the control key, function key. Windows or Alt key for Windows. Similarly, Alt or Command keys for Unix machines. So arrow keys on one side, and FN to F12, the whole full keyboard set. So either you're using Windows or your your iPad or any other tablet. This is one of the unique keyboards. Really looks nice, really nice bamboo finish, and I simply love it. This was B for trymeoncereviews. Thank you.